Today we are doing exercise 13.1. This is question number 3. Express each of the following numbers using exponential form और notation. मीन्स ये जो नंबर्स हमें दिए हुए हैं इनको हमें पावर्स या फिर एक्सपोनेंट्स, पावर्स को ही एक्सपोनेंट भी कहा जाता है, उस फॉर्म में लिखना है जिसमें इनको एक्सपोनेंट लगा के लिखा जा सके. मीन्स एक्सपोनेंशियल नोटेशन में इसको लिखा जा सके. Here you can see 4 parts are there. First is 512, second is 343, third is 729 and fourth is 3125. Now let's do this. Now this is third A part 512. So first of all we will do prime factorization of 512 divided by 2. Then we get 256, again divide by 2, then 128, again divide by 2, then 64, again divide by 2, then 32, again divide by 2, then 16, again divide by 2, then it is 8, again divide by 2, it is 4, again divide by 2, it is 2, and again divide by 2, it is 1. So here you can see after so many divisions of 2 we will get 1 here. Now we can write 512 as powers. Write 512 is equal to, this is only 2 power, so we can write 2 power. How many 2's are there? 1 2 3. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Means 9 2's are there, so we can write 2 power 9. So in this way we can write the exponential form of 512. Now next question 343. Now we will do prime factorization of 343 here. Now 343 is not divisible by 2 because last digits are not 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now it is also not divisible by 3 because the sum of digit is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 5 because last digit is not 0 or 5. It is divisible by 7. ये 7 से divisible है तो इसको हम 7 से divisible करेंगे. 7 से डिवाइड करेंगे इसको पहले, then it will be 49. If we divide again by 7, then it is 7, and again by 7, then it is 1. So here we can see 343 can be written as, how many 7 are there? So we can write 7 multiply 7 multiply 7. Then we can write 7 power 3. इसको एक्सपोनेंट में हम लिख सकते हैं 7 power 3. नाउ इट्स थर्ड पार्ट 729. नाउ अगेन वी विल डू प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 729. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिवाइडेड बाय 3, देन दिस इज 243. अगेन डिवाइड बाय 3, देन इट इज 81. Again divide by 3, it is 27. Again divide by 3, it is 3, 9 is 27, so 9. 3 3s are 9, so here 3 will be left, and then 3, then it is 1 left. Now prime factorization has been completed. Now we will write how many 3's are there, total 6. So 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 and then 3. So how many 3's are there? There are 6 times 6 3's, so we can write 3 power 6. Now it's D part, last part of question number 3. It is 3125. Now we will divide this 3125 by 5. then it is 6 to 5. Again by 5, then it is 1 to 5. Again by 5, it is 25. Again by 5, it is 5. And again by 5, it is 1. Now here you can see 3, 1, 2, 5 can be written by the product of 5 5s, means 5 times 5s. So it is 5 power 5. Now this is question number 4. Identify the greater numbers wherever possible in each of the following. मीन्स इसमें हमें जो ग्रेटर नंबर है उसको आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि कौन सा नंबर ग्रेटर है, और इसके अलावा ये भी चेक करना है कि अगर हम यहाँ पे मतलब फाइंड कर सकते हैं तो हम इसको चेक करेंगे. नाउ वी विल सॉल्व ऑल 1 to 5 पार्ट्स हेयर. नाउ लेट्स डू दिस. नाउ हेयर वी आर ऑन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. दिस इज फर्स्ट पार्ट. 4 power 3 or 3 power 4, which is greater? So first of all here we will write 4 power 3 as 4 power 3 को हम क्या कर सकते हैं, we can write 4 into 4 into 4. 3 times this will be 64, and 3 power 4 we can write as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 4 times. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, and 27 3s are 81. Now here you can easily see 4 power 3 is less than 3 power 4. Now second part. 5 power 3 or 3 power 5. So 5 power 3 we can write, multiply 5 3 times, it is 125, and 3 power 5 means multiply 3 5 times. So 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 81 and 243. Now here you can see which is greater. 3 power 5 is greater. Now third part we will do. That is 2 power 8 or 8 power 2. So first of all 2 power 8 we will solve. Multiply 2 8 times. Now we will multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, and 64 2s are 128, and 128 2s are 256. After that 8 power 2, 8 multiply 8, it is 64. So here you can see 2 power 8 is greater than 8 power 2. Now fourth part. 100 power 2 is equal to 100 power 2 or 2 power 100, which one is greater? So here you can see 100 पावर 2 को तो हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. So here we will write 100 into 100. This will be 10,000. ये 10,000 होगा. लेकिन अगर हम 2 पावर 100 को सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये तो बहुत बड़ा आएगा, 2 पावर 100, 2 को 100 टाइम्स करना पड़ेगा। तो इसको हम कुछ टाइम तक करके देखते हैं कि क्या आ रहा है हमारा, मीन्स जो नंबर है वो क्या आ रहा है। पहले हम 2 की कुछ पावर्स इसमें फाइंड करेंगे, उसके बाद पता चलेगा हमें कि अगर हम 2 को 2 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो हमें क्या मिलता है, 2 2 ज़ा 4 होता है, 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2 4, 4 2 ज़ा 8, 8 2 ज़ा 16, 16 2 ज़ा 32, 32 2 ज़ा 64, 2 ज़ा 128, 2 ज़ा 256, 2 ज़ा 512, 2 ज़ा 1024, 1024 2 ज़ा 2048, 2048 2 ज़ा 4096 एंड 2 ज़ा 8192 और 2 ज़ा ये हो जाएगा हमारा 16192 था, उसका डबल हो गया 380, 8096 की 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करें। दिस विल बी 16, ये हमने कहाँ तक किया है, पहले हम काउंट कर लेते हैं इस 2 को, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, मीन्स अगर हम 2 की पावर 14 कर रहे हैं, इसको डेड डैश बना सकते हैं ऐसे, तो हमारा आंसर आ रहा है 16384। So here you can see 2 power 14 is greater than 10 to the power 2। अगर 2 की पावर 14 जो है वो ग्रेटर है 100 की पावर 2 से, तो डेफिनेट सी बात है अगर 2 को हम 100 टाइम्स करेंगे तो वो भी डायरेक्टली ग्रेटर ही आएगा। अगर 2 को हम 14 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तभी वो उससे ग्रेटर हो जा रहा है, तो 2 को 100 टाइम्स करेंगे तब भी तो वो उससे ग्रेटर ही होगा। नाउ दिस इज सॉल्व्ड। नाउ फोर्थ फिफ्थ पार्ट, टू पावर 10 और 10 पावर 2। 2 पावर 10 को क्या लिख सकते हैं, 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2, हाउ मैनी टाइम्स, 10 टाइम्स। Now we will multiply 2 2 ज़ा 4, 2 ज़ा 8, 2 ज़ा 16, 2 ज़ा 32, 64, 128, 256, 512 and 1024। Now 10 power 2, this is 10 into 10, कितना हो जाएगा ये, 100। Now which is greater, 2 power 10 is greater than 10 power 2। Now this question has been completed now. Now question number 5, express each of the following as power as product of powers। इनको पावर्स के प्रोडक्ट में हमें लिखना है, प्राइम फैक्टर्स में कन्वर्ट करना है। सो डायरेक्टली वी विल डू प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ दीज नंबर्स and then we can write them in the product of powers of their prime factors. First part is 648, second is 405, third is 540 and fourth is 3600. This is question number 5, first part, 648 First of all, do the prime factorization of 648 divided by 2, this is 324. Then divide by 2, 162. Then divide by 2, 81. Divide by 3, 27. Divide by 3, 9. Again divide by 3, this is 3. Again divide by 3, this is 1. So here we can write 648 as, how many 2's are there? 3 2's, so we can write 2 power 3. Or how many 3's are there? 4, so 3 power 4. So we can write 2 power 3 and 3 power 4. Now second part, 405. So here we will cut it by 5, it is 81. पहले 3 से हो रहा है तो 3 से करेंगे. This is 135. Again by 3, this is 45. Again by 3, this is 15. Again by 3, this is now 5. Then it is 1. 405 को क्या लिख सकते हैं? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. So this will be 3 power 4 multiply by 5. 5 की कोई पावर नहीं है यहाँ पे, 1 होगी, लेकिन 1 लिखा नहीं जाएगा. Now third part and 540. Divided by 2, then it is 270. Again divide by 2, this is 135. Now divided by 3, it is 45. Divide by 3, this is 15. Divide by 3, this is 5. And 5 ones are 5. So here you can see how many 2's are there. 2 2's, so 2 power 3, 2 power 2. How many 3's are there? 3. So 3 power 3. How many 5 are there? Only 1. So we can write 5. Only 5 we can write. Now last one, fourth part, 3600. First of all, divided by 2, so it is 1800. Again divide by 2, 900. Again divide by 2, it is 450. Again divide by 2, 225. Again divided by 3, 75. By 3, it is 25. Then it is 5, and then it is 1. So here we can write how many 2's are there. So 4 2's. So we can write 2 power 4. How many 3's are there? 2 3's, so 3 power 2. How many 5 are there? So 2 5, so we can write 5 power 2. So now here we have completed question number 5 also.